I think that BIM it's a major issue for the real estate business, real estate industry for the next decade. It's really a real issue, and we can speak about a revolution because it's a new way of thinking business. It's a collaborative business. It's not only a tool. It's a way to influence stakeholders. So it's very important, and it could create two things. First of all, a kind of improvement of the performance of the industry, the performance of the different stakeholders. It means how to do more better with less. Okay. The second, which is probably much more important, is how to create value with BIM at customer level. That's key, because then the user or the end user could be totally centric. We were talking about workplace management, building as a service, stuff like that. So really BIM and digital solution could enable that. First of all, it's not a dream. It's something that we're using. We're using VR, first of all, for commercial issue, in order to help customers to understand the value of BIM and digital solution. So at the early stage, when we're presenting a project, we're discussing a project with the customers, could use VR. We're also using VR in the design phase and at construction level. But we're also using VR and mixed reality in operations. That's key, that's very important. And we already integrate those different devices in our platform. I love the BIM world. Okay. I love the BIM world. I'm very fan of the BIM world in Paris. It is the second time here for me in Germany. It has doubled, so it's great. I think it's very important to have a dedicated event in order to explain and to evangelize, I would say, the industry of the use of BIM. So this is a perfect place to do it.